welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to start, stop or reset on services. Now first, click on the search icon and type services and give run as administrator. Now you can select what is the operation you need to start or reset. Now I am just clicking any one of the services and right click and give restart. If you need to restart the services, just click restart. And you need to stop the services means click stop. And you need to again to start the services means click start. And this is how to do stop, start or restart our services on Windows 10 and 11 computer. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.